This is the glideAWAY by Advantage SportsRack. It's easy to mount right into the vehicle's receiver hitch.
Assembly is very simple. Just insert the pins and secure the pins with the provided E-clips. The extended straps secure the bikes with ease. This glideAWAY fits either the 2-inch or the 1 1/4-inch square trailer hitch receivers. Just remove the adapter to fit the smaller size hitch.
The anti-wobble device eliminates rattle as the hefty bolt tightly secures the glideAWAY in place.
The bike support arms are raised to properly position them for transporting the bikes.
The glideAWAY extends outward, allowing easy access to the rear of the vehicle. The T-pin and the tightened locking wing bolt hold the rack close and secure to the vehicle. The glideAWAY can securely carry up to 4 bikes with ease. Even with bikes in place, loading the vehicle is simple.
Be sure to tighten the wing bolt every time.
Unloading the bikes merely takes seconds, and you are ready to ride. When your ride is over, reloading the bikes is just as quick. The glideAWAY by Advantage SportsRack from Heininger.